All right, so I wanted to talk for a second about porch posts or deck post, either one. Something we see pretty regularly is an issue with rot at the bottom of them. So take a look at this video and you'll see what I'm talking about. So you've got some damage here. Post really should be resting on piers. You got damage here, here, probably buried in these other spots, kind of on around. None of them are resting on anything solid. And so you really kind of want it out of the ground, and especially since they're not pressure treated, I think you're going to see some damage occur. You can see it down here at this one as well. So something certainly to look into. Okay, so I'm not bragging or anything, but this house behind you, it's done correctly. I came and dug 3-foot wide hole with an auger. I poured a foot worth of concrete. I then put in sonotube and then filled that full of concrete up to about 16 inches above grade. And then we put the posts on top of that, which are sitting on a metal stand. So it's done how it's supposed to be done. And that porch behind you won't ever move for that reason. So I never see it done that way here. Like it's never done that way. It's almost always done like you see in the video. And